called Cosworth, and we're going to see what it looks like inside. Wow, it's very, very classic in here, and I'm going to be painting a wheel, and I'll show you where I'll be painting my wheel. Over here. This is the wheel factory, but I call it the Tiger Factory. This is the whoop truck, and we're going to see what it actually looks like. It's brownie reddish. On the back, you can put whatever you want on there. And front, the wheels are very, very big. And I really, really like the orange about them. And it's really low to here. Like the tires are so close to here. And sometimes some trucks are very low like this one. Now we're going to go and look at my tyre that I'm going to be making. Here's the wheel I'll be making, and I can't tell you what I'll be doing on it yet. And I really like the colour it is right now, but when I do it, it's going to look even cooler. And now we're going to do my tyre and see you in a minute when it's done.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
Guys, I'm gonna put the lacquer on my wheel now.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation.
Guys, this is how my wheel turned out. Look how cool this looks. It's got the blue here, the gold, the purple, no, the pink, and then the purple, and then some rose gold. That's how good it looks. I really like it. And then blue in the middle, so there's no black. Wow. I really do like this. Thank you, Whoops, for letting me take my own wheel home. I can't wait to put it on my shelf. It's got the pink, purple, rose gold, and blue and gold, and I really like it. And in the middle, it's got all of the blue. That's what I really like about it. And blue is my favourite colour.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal.